So what's going on with Credit Suisse? So Credit Suisse have been getting themselves into a little bit of trouble lately. Whether it's their money laundering accusations of spying, or their underperforming investment banking division, Credit Suisse sound more like a bad James Bond novel than they do an international bank. Although even a spy novelist couldn't be as creative as Credit Suisse accountants. I did a video about Credit Suisse a couple of months ago, but why they're in the news now is because of their accounting practices and their bookmaking. Now, Credit Suisse's auditors, PwC, have found material weaknesses within the bank's reporting. Specifically, Credit Suisse have been under-reporting their borrowing and lending activities on their cash flow statements and their balance sheets. If you didn't know, large businesses have to report every year their earnings in a standardized way. And this is a very important legal requirement, which makes sure that people can see what these businesses are doing and they can make rational decisions on where they think that business is going. And it's pretty serious if you mess up these reports. So significant, in fact, that the United States Securities and Exchange Commission, the SEC, have intervened to look into what went wrong with Credit Suisse. And what they found was the error did not actually affect the end financial results. In terms of Credit Suisse, still would have made the same loss even if they had adjusted for the error. Now, you would kind of expect a big international bank to be able to do these kind of reports pretty consistently without messing them up. And obviously they haven't, and investors are a bit worried about that. And that sent the share price of Credit Suisse tumbling when this revelation came about. And of course, it wasn't helped by the fact that SVB had collapsed days earlier. Now, Credit Suisse have received funding from the Swiss central bank of 50 billion francs. And this should mean that Credit Suisse don't collapse in the same way that SVB did. So could the collapse of these two banks lead to a financial crisis? I answer that question in another video on my channel. If you enjoyed, then give it a like, and until the next time, bye bye.